Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M14 and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this Samsung. First of all, you need to open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, like Play Store. Then access background apps and click on the icon of your app. Finally, select Open in pop-up view, and as you can see, now I can use my Play Store in this little window. If you wish to move your window, hold this line at the top and drag it. You can also turn it into a bubble by tapping on Home button. Then access it by clicking on the bubble. In order to use your app, overlay the other one, just click on the other one and use both. You can always close your app by holding it and dragging it to remove section, or simply swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!